Welcome. In front of me I have Honor Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Honor Health application on the iPhone that is paired with our smartband. So let's tap on the icon and to open the application. In the app, find the device icon and tap on it. And here on the list of devices, you should see your Honor Band 7. Select it. Now, tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on Delete Device, and tap on Delete. Once you see this pop up, you can close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option, and tap on it. And here you will see Honor Band 7 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device. And then you can close the settings and the app. And that's how you unpair this smartband from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.